you have oily skin, you may feel frustrated by the constant shine and breakouts that come with it. However, with the right skincare routine, you can help balance your skin's oil production and achieve a healthy, clear complexion. Here are some steps you can follow to establish a skincare routine that works for your oily skin. Cleanser. Choose a gentle, oil-free cleanser that won't strip your skin of its natural oils. Look for ingredients like salicylic acid or benzoyl peroxide that help combat acne and breakouts. Toner. Use a toner to remove any remaining dirt and oil from your skin. Look for a toner that contains alpha hydroxy acids or beta hydroxy acid to help exfoliate and reduce oiliness. Moisturizer. Use a lightweight, oil-free moisturizer that won't clog your pores. Look for ingredients like hyaluronic acid or glycerine that help hydrate your skin without adding extra oil. Sunscreen. Use a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30 every day, even if you're staying indoors. Look for a non-greasy, lightweight formula that won't leave your skin feeling oily. Weekly exfoliation. Exfoliate once a week without a gentle scrub. Exfoliate once a week with a gentle scrub or chemical exfoliant to help remove dead skin cells and keep your pores clear. Face masks. Use a clay mask once a week to help absorb excess oil and unclog your pores. By following these simple steps, you can help regulate your skin's natural oil production and keep your complexion clear and healthy. Remember to be consistent with your routine and give your skin time to adjust to new products. If you have any persistent skin issues or concerns, it's always best to consult a dermatologist for personalized advice. With a little effort and the right approach, you can achieve the healthy, glowing skin you deserve.